Hello, viewers at home. My name is Okoh Ijeoma from St. Charles College, Onitsha. Welcome to our online teaching. Our topic today is angles in polygon. Before we go into the topic, let's look at the specific objective we have today. 1. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to be able to define polygon. 2. Give number of triangles in any given polygon. 3. Name at least 4 polygons and the sum of their interior angles. 4. Solve problems involving angles in polygon. What is a polygon? A polygon is a plane shape bounded by straight line segments without a hole in it. Any plane shape bounded by 3 or more lines, more sides, is called a polygon. The name of any polygon is determined by the number of sides it has. The least number of sides is 3, and thus triangle is the least of the polygons. We have regular and irregular polygon. It is regular when the sides and angles are equal, and irregular when the sides and angles are not equal. Names of common polygons. Name of polygon, number of sides, number of triangle. First one, we have triangle. It has 3 sides and the number of triangle is 1. Quadrilaterals, 4, and number of triangles is 2. Pentagon, 5 sides and number of triangles is 3. We get the number of triangles by saying n minus 2, meaning number of sides minus 2 will give you the number of a triangle. The next one is an n-gon, that is a n-sided polygon. We say that it has an n sides and the number of triangle is n minus 2. Will give you the number of triangles. Some important formulas in polygon. The first one is the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is equals to n minus 2 times 180. For you to get the number of interior angles of any given polygon, we use the formula n. N stands for the number of sides minus 2 times 180, or you can use 2n minus 4 times 90. Then the next one is the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degrees. The sum of its exterior angle is 360 degrees, no matter the size. The sum is 360. Then to find the number of sides of a regular polygon, when the sum of the angle is given, we have it to be n minus 2 times 180 equal to the sum of the angle given to you. Then the next one, to find the number of sides of a regular polygon, when one angle is given, when one of the angle is given, we have it as n minus 2 times 180 all over n times given angle. So let's look at some working example. 1. Find the sum of the angle of a regular polygon which has 9 sides. You said that the polygon has 9 sides. So for us to solve this one, have a sum of the angle is equals to n minus 2 times 180. So we have it, they say that we have 9 sides. So we have 9 minus 2 times 180. And 9 minus 2 will give us 7. 7 times 180 will give us 1260 degrees. So the sum of the angle is equals to 1260 degrees. Number 2. The sum of 7 of the angles of a decagon is 1170 degrees. The other 3 angles are all equal in each other. Calculate the size of the other 3 angles. The sum of 7 of the angles of a decagon is 1170 degrees. The other 3 angles are all equal in each other. Calculate the size of the other 3 angles. Solution. First, let's find the sum of the angles of a decagon. A decagon has 10 sides. So we have the sum of the angle is equals to n minus 2 times 180. 10 minus 2 times 180. We have 8 times 180. So we have the sum of the angle as 1440 degrees. Then, to find the other three angles, they say that the three angles are equal. So let's call the other three angles 3x. So we have now 3x is equals to the sum of the angle minus the angle given to us. So we have it 1440 degrees minus 1170 degrees. So we have 3x is equals to 270. Divide both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 3. So 3x divided by 3 will give us x, and 270 divided by 3 will give us 90. Thus, the other three angles are equal to 90 each. So number 3, we have if the angles of a pentagon could be x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x, what will be the value of x? Calculate the size of the largest angle. Here we are asked to solve two things. First of all, to find the value of x, then the size of the largest angle. We have our solution. The sum of the angles of a pentagon is equal to what? Let's look for this angle of a pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon of 5 sides. So we have it now, n minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 is the size of a pentagon. So 5 minus 2 will give us 3. 3 times 180 will give us 540. Thus, the sum angle of a pentagon is equal to 540. Therefore, 3x will sum all the angles given to us and equate it to 540 degrees. So we have it now, x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 540 degrees. 15x is equal to 540. Divide both sides with 15. That is the coefficient of x. 15x divided by 15 will give us x. And 540 divided by 15 will give us 36. Then x is now equals to 36 degrees. Then the next question, the largest angle is equals to, the largest angle there is 5x. So 5 times 36 will give us 180. The fourth question says, find the number of sides in a polygon if the sum of the angle is 1260. Find the number of sides in a polygon if the sum of the angle is 1260. He asks us to find the number of sides this time, and the angle given us, the sum of angle given to us is 1260 degrees. So we have it now that n minus 2 times 180 is equal to angle given to us, which is 1260 degrees. Then let's open the brackets on our left hand side. So 180 times n will give us 180n minus 180 times 2 will give us 360. So we have it now that 180n minus 360 is equals to 1260. Then let's add 360 to both sides because we have a minus in the front of 360 up there. So let's add 360 to both sides. So we have now 180n minus 360 plus 360 is equals to 1260 degrees plus 360 degrees. So 180n now is equals to 1620. Then divide both sides with the coefficient of n, which is 180. We have now 180n divided by 180 will give us n. And then 1620 divided by 180 will give us 9. Thus, this pentagon has 9 sides. Then number 5. How many sides has a regular polygon if its interior angle are 162 degrees each? The interior angles are 162 degrees each. So we have our solution as n minus 2 times 180 degrees all over n. N minus 2 times 180 degrees all over n equal to angle given to us, which is 162 degrees. So let's multiply both sides with n, or you say that you take the gross product of the both sides. So when we multiply now, we have n minus 2 times 180 all over n times n is equals to 162 degrees times n. So we have now n minus 2 times 180 degrees is equals to 162n. Opening the brackets. So opening the brackets now, we have 180n. We are multiplying n minus 2 times 180 now by 180. So we have 180n minus 360 is equal to 162n. Collecting the like terms, let's collect what we have in common on both sides. So I have now 180n minus 162n is equals to 360 degrees. 180 minus 162 will give us 18n. So 18n now is equals to 360. 18n over 18 is equals to 360 over 18. So n is equals to 20. So the polygon we are talking about now has a 20 sides. So let's look at the questions we have here. You solve the questions and submit as soon as possible. 1. How many sides has a polygon if the sum of its angle is A, 3,240 degrees, B, 26 right angles? You remember when we are when we treated triangles, and I mentioned right angles there. So I hope you remember what right angle is. So number 2, A, how many sides has a polygon if the sum of its angle is 44 right angles? Then B, if the polygon is regular, what is the size of each angle in degrees? Then number 3, calculate the size of each angle of a regular hexagon. Which of the polygon is a hexagon? You find the size of each angle. Then B, a regular decagon. You know which one is regular decagon. You solve it and get the size of each. Remember that it says each, not the sum. So number 4, answer question number 5 and 6 of exercise 6D of your new general mathematics. I did not put the page because we have different editions in a new general mathematics. My own edition may not be your own edition, so the pages are not the same. So just open your new general mathematics. You look for the exercise there. Exercises, they have a number. So you go to exercise 6D and answer question number 5 and number 6 and submit the assignment as soon as possible. Always remember to write your name. Many of you don't write your names in your assignment. Always remember, I'm not a magician to know your name, please. So you submit to the WhatsApp contact 080-33-242-852. Please submit as soon as possible. Thank you.